We're back at it again, fishing on the river here. Water's looking a lot better, not so low. Using my favorite catfish bait. I'm more used to using the dough bait, which I had really luck using. But this is little balls, kind of like dough bait. And we're gonna see if we have any action gonna happen. Hopefully there is, since the water is up a lot more than it was the last time. We've been kind of having a lot of rain, so got my line in the water, and hopefully we can get into some action. Wow, getting some nibbles. Not even been out here for 5 minutes. But, no takers. Sorry about the wind. Can't help with wind. But, we'll wait and see what happens. Well, ended up moving locations underneath a bridge. Got it back there. Someplace back there. Hopefully I can get some on this side of the river. So, got a whole bunch of nibbles. Nothing. So I kind of changed locations, testing underneath this bridge here. And hopefully have some better luck. I ended up losing 2 hooks in the rocks. Just my luck today, but hopefully I get better action. So, catch you on the next one. Well, changed locations once again. Head to a new spot that I got quite a bit of fish before, and hopefully I can find them into a little bit calmer waters. So, hopefully we get some catfish or carp, one of the two. As you can see. So, hopefully pick up some more actions. If you liked the video so far, hit the subscribe button. It's at the bottom of your screen, little red button or gray. It's free. It really helps the channel out. So, catch you in a little bit if anything changes. Hopefully it will. Pull up a fish on the shore and show you guys. Got lots and lots of nibbles, so. But no takers. It's still April, so. Well, got nothing at the river. Lots and lots of nibbles, but no takers. So, hope to get you guys on the next one. Hopefully I get more action on catfishing. If you liked the video, subscribe. little button at the bottom of the screen. It's free. Really helps the channel out. I might check out new spots to go to. Comment what you guys use for bait. Lots of nibble on the Wild Hog balls. First time using it, so got lots of nibbles on it, which is funny because usually the original Wild Hogs original, I get a lot of action. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment on what you guys use for bait. Might try out some if you comment down below. Hopefully I get some more action. It's a hit and miss. Get skunk out again. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys on the next one.